G'day, I'm Shawn, technician at Backspec Centre Zeres. Today I'm going to discuss a question we get most of the times is customer stating his or her aircon heater is not working. The differences between the two systems is quite easy actually. On the heater system, we get coolant that goes through a heat exchanger, which heats the air of the interior blower motor, creating hot air. On the aircon system, it works with gas, which is pressurized by the aircon pump, which cools down the air. System, it works via aircon gas, which is compressed and gets cooled down, creating cold air to blow through the interior blower motor. And the only things in aspect of these two systems that is the same is the interior blower motor and the air vents inside the vehicle.